Today I'm going to do a short demonstration of facial cupping for sinus problems. I've had a little bit of a cold and my sinuses are a little blocked, so I thought this would be the perfect opportunity. I'm going to start off by applying a little bit of rose hip oil to my face. So I'm just applying a light, even coat of oil to my skin so that the cups will move easily over the skin. I'm going to start off a little bit actually on my neck so that I can start to drain through the lymph a little bit and through my sinuses. And I start off with a holding and releasing technique in this area, because if the lymph in my throat is blocked, the cup is not going to move very easily. So you can do a couple applications on each line in the neck with holding and releasing, and then you can run the cup over. You can see it's a little bit stuck there with a light suction gliding. You want to make sure the suction is very light because we do have nerve plexes, and also large blood vessels in the neck. So we want to make sure that we don't injure our clients or leave any marks on them. Now I'm going to work just along the edges of the face to try to get a little better circulation, to open up the major lymphatic areas so the sinuses have somewhere to drain. The next line here, which just runs under the zygomatic arch, is another great area for the sinuses. We have a major sinus right here, so I'm going to park the cup here. Rotate the cup. I'm not going to hold it very long. For those who bruise easily, you want to make sure you do not retain the cups, because it will create a mark. Okay, and second line. And I'm controlling the suction with the bulb. And now I'm going to go to the forehead. Okay, we get suction with this one. There we go. Now you can use also these cups. These are the Lure facial cups, and they work very similarly, except they don't have a bulb on the end of it, but you can glide them. You can do holding and releasing techniques. And you're going to work all the way. Lines on the face. This is just getting started. So now we're going to do some focused work on the sinuses, so we can use either this little baby facial cup, or if you have the glass cups, you can use a smaller one, and they just get in a lot more specific directly into the sinuses. So working right over top of that sinus, you can kind of rotate the cup around a little bit. Again, if you keep it moving, your risk of getting cupping marks is less. Now, I'm a little less concerned about cupping marks because it's my face, and I just want to get my sinuses going. But when you're working on clients, you got to be pretty conscious. Also, you can see my skin is pulling a little bit, so I just want to anchor my skin. And when you do a strong release on the cup over the sinuses, that is going to really help pull them out. So once you've completed the work on the sinuses, which you want to do for maybe 5 to 10 minutes, not too long, you'll see there's some reddening in the area, but no cupping marks. You can complete the treatment by either using one of these facial brushes, and you're just, again, you're going to brush toward the sinus triangle here, or the lymphatic triangle here on the side of the face, to try to drain the fluid toward or away from the sinuses. You do a little bit of massage. You can massage with your hands, and you can repeat that treatment as many times as you want until the sinuses start to release. And a lot of the time what you're going to feel is you're going to actually feel the sinus popping, or you're going to feel the liquid draining out of the sinuses, and that's when you know that you've achieved what you want to achieve with the sinus treatment.